Titanium Corporation's mission is creating value from waste. We've developed technologies that will recover value from oil sands tailings, intercepting those tailings, recovering lost oil, bitumen that's in the tailing streams, but also valuable minerals, titanium, the name of our company, and zircon, as well as solvents. These hydrocarbons have environmental impacts as well that will be reduced by recovering those commodities before the tailings reach tailings ponds. Recent milestones are, in particular, we finished our minerals programs in 2014, which included bulk sample testing of our flow sheets, as well as market testing of our products in Asia, China in particular, and that went very well. In 2013, we finished our hydrocarbon testing, and those products came out very well also, and we provided all that information to the oil sands companies. It's very positive. This has been a collaborative development. We've had a number of very prominent partners, the research organizations, engineering firms, universities, but we've also had the major oil sands companies cooperating and reviewing all our results. So it's been a very transparent, open, disciplined process, so the results are available to everyone. And we're very excited about the performance of the technology and its demonstration piloting. We've been focusing on two areas that we believe are extremely important to the industry during these challenging times. This is the ability to recover additional resource, bitumen and the minerals, from their existing operations, optimization of their production, but also reducing their operating costs through doing that, and also meeting a lot of the environmental regulations that are coming out on the tailings area that requires the continuous remediation or progressive remediation of tailings. So we can add value at a time when when prices are lower, because we can recover bitumen at less than $10 a barrel. So this is very low cost, low-hanging fruit, some of these benefits. It will take about 30 months to complete engineering and build these facilities. So assuming we get the first project sometime in the next in the months ahead, then you're looking at that sort of a time frame to get in production. These are quite large facilities. They're in the $300–400 million range. So there's a build period that's pretty typical in mining and the oil sands. I think the big one that obviously the market is most interested in would be an agreement with an oil sands operator. There's also steps that we see coming up that will involve doing a certain amount of pre-work on the projects, and we're looking forward to finalizing some of the current discussions, negotiations, and moving down that path. Our listing has been invaluable to Titanium Corporation over the years. It's enabled us to raise money in public markets, over $60 million. That's also allowed us to attract some matching funding, over $11 million in government grants. It's also provided transparency and credibility to all of our stakeholders, from governments, obviously, to our shareholders, but also to our partners and the oil sands companies, where credibility is very, very important.